Hi guys, it's Sharon from Butterfly Lullaby and it's the 2nd of April 2020. I just want to say that I really hope that we can support our fruit and veg farmers here in the UK and overseas. They are so important, and I mean in years past they just haven't got the support they needed, and I really hope this changes, because fruit and veg is our medicine, our true medicine. And we'll share with you some videos on my blog, so I'm not going to play them, but I want you to, if you've got time, check them out because they're really important. Dr. Michael Greger is my hero, and I just want to say that, a lot of people are scared of the coronavirus, but it doesn't scare me because I've been doing a 5-year health diary, and I've had asthma from the age of 3. I'm now 53 years old, and I found out how plants actually heal the lungs. And I mean, I've even had a chest infection when I've been on a healthy diet, and I didn't need the inhaler, and that's the first time ever in my life thanks to this wonderful diet. So there is hope, and I know the coronavirus hits the lungs, so don't be scared. Just change the way you eat, and keep a health diary, track what makes you sick, and keep a note of what makes you healthy. So here's a video here of Dr. Michael Greger speaking at the Google offices, and it's a really excellent video. There's also a video here from John, who does lots of videos on organic gardening, grow your greens, and he's cured his asthma and eczema with plants. And he's interviewing here in this video a man that had cancer who cured his cancer with plants. So, there is hope. Just don't be scared. And that was me there when I was 48, and me aged 51, looking a lot healthier thanks to Google, and all the wonderful YouTube videos we have. What would we do without them? They are amazing. So here's just a little bit of information here about keeping a health diary, and I've got a blog there about it. And also exercise is very important. I'm now doing yoga, and thank you Adrienne and Google for these wonderful videos. So yeah, that's it really. And please do get in contact. I've got a Facebook group for gardening, organic gardening and foraging, and I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to see what you're growing in your garden. There's a lot of scaremongering now saying that gardening shops should shut. They're really important. They keep our bees healthy with flowers we grow in our garden, and we need our bees. So this is really important. We help our bees. I've just sown a wildflower garden. I hope that it takes off for the bees and butterflies. And also, they sell, I don't know, blueberry bushes and raspberry and all these different wonderful plants you can grow yourself organically in your garden. There's nothing better than actually growing your own food, because you can eat it fresh, organically, and it's so good for you. So yeah, do get in touch, and let's see if we can do something to support our farmers. They're really important, and so are our garden centres. So get in touch with any ideas, and I'd love to hear from you. And stay safe, and yeah, just don't be scared. Okay, bye-bye.